So, good morning guys. Dito po tayo. How are you guys? Welcome to my vlog. So today we are going to visit the ruin, the monastery ruin today. Before we find some place to camping again. And this is our fourth day, the number 4 sa pag-camping natin. Kaya, but before we go that, we are going to visit this ruin. And just follow me and I will show you. Tayo po doon. Siyempre, maganda. Today is really different. Very amazing weather today. Blue sky, as you can see. But before, yesterday it was poor rain and yeah, it's like feels like wanna just go home again. But anyway, today is really nice. We are on this place, monastery ruin, and let's go explore. Dito pala, balik tayo. Nandito ang ating information. So that is, yun po ang information dito. That is the picture before, and it's really big. So yun po palang ano dun, nasa gitna pala yun. So ayan po ang ating ang pictures before. And it says in English, Oslo. So, na 16th century. Yan po ang atin. So, yun, mga nakapangalan pala doon, mga dyan. So, yan po ang ating sa English and German and Swedish, of course. So po, so yan po, this is the ruin that they called. Ganun po, ito ang monastery ng I will look how old it is. But look at the surrounding, and of course the countryside po dito. So yan po ang ruin dito. So let's move pa doon. Yan po. Let's go. Oh, this is what it looks like before. That one, it looks like that. That one. And that. So we look at Palo. So this is what it looks like now. And that, what a beautiful place. I mean, when it's on that time, nandito pa ito. When it was here, this monastery. Look at the view. I don't understand why all monastery have the best view and place. So maybe it should to be. So wala po dun. So this is all the wall, the rest of the wall. Tayo doon. So ganun po sa yan ang what is dong ayun pong monument na pinakita ko kanina. Ganun. So we will see what is the information so that I can say what year was it. What's that? And look at the view. And the garden, I think it's garden. Yeah, the lavender garden. So, and what's this? The wishing well. So, wish natin na tayo ay laging free sa sickness and free from everything by the bad happens that will come on every year. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's go, just follow me. So tayo doon. So dito po tayo sa room. So doon po tayo punta. We'll see what is in. Ayan po. So look at that wall. Let's go upstairs. So tayo sa upstairs. Yan. And this is the amazing view. We are not in the water. Okay, there is no water, but the countryside is, you can see. So, that is the middle. That's the middle. Let's explore more. So, yun po ito ay, and then other part. Sugod po tayo. Sugod. So, another part of garden. There is really old stone. Oh, I can't read it. Oh, ang dami naman chichi-burichito nito. So, 19, what's that? Oh, it's another, I think it's Latin. So anyway, it's interesting. Kanilang kitchen. This is their kitchen. Ay, social naman ang kitchen. Ang laki. Ayan po ang kitchen. So, nakalagay po dito sa ay kitchen daw po ito. Kaya yan, tayo doon sa explore ng kitchen nila. Parang it feels like you are nasa kitchen din na rin. Ito ang kitchen ko. Malaki. It's really nice kitchen. So, what is the ruin? I think this is sa oven. Itong parang oven. So, I have dito. Kasya lang po ako dito. So, ito po ang dining room. I think, also the kitchen. So, yan po. So, guys, I have to sign off now and salamat po. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Pula! Yan po ang view natin.